Ever wondered how fast a human sneeze actually is? Spoiler, it's way faster than you think. Think sneezing is harmless? Wait till you hear how fast it actually blasts out. Get ready to be blown away, literally. Picture this: when you sneeze, droplets rocket out of your nose and mouth at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most city speed limits. In fact, a sneeze can launch around 40,000 tiny droplets into the air at once, like a microscopic confetti cannon. That's why your sneeze travels up to 26 feet. Next time you feel one coming, remember, you're basically a biological jet engine. So cover up quick. And hey, don't hold it in, just let it fly. Science says sneezes are fast, furious, and totally unstoppable.